The Capacitive Reactance interactive calculator helps you analyze capacitor behavior in AC circuits by computing 6 different electrical parameters. Let's explore the interface. First, you'll see a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate capacitive reactance, calculate capacitance, calculate frequency, calculate total impedance, calculate AC current, and calculate phase angle. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Capacitive Reactance. Below that are 6 input fields: frequency in hertz, capacitance in microfarads, reactance in ohms, resistance in ohms, voltage in volts, and impedance in ohms. Each field comes pre-filled with default values you can modify. Now for a worked example. I'm entering 60 Hz frequency, 10 microfarads capacitance, 100 ohms resistance, and 120 volts. After clicking Calculate, the results show capacitive reactance equals 265.26 ohms. The calculator also displays that at 60 Hz, the capacitor presents 265.26 ohms opposition to AC flow. Additional outputs include total impedance, AC current, phase angle, and power factor values, though only the reactance is populated when calculating that specific parameter. This tool streamlines AC circuit analysis for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.